Next in Scratch, we are going to see how to move sprite. So this is our cat sprite, and we'll go to events, and in events, when a green flag is clicked, then we have to move our sprite 10 steps. So move 10 steps. So the smaller the number, the slower is the movement of sprite. If it is big number, then sprite will move little more fast. For example, here it is 10. So when I will click this green flag, it is going to move this way. If we decrease this number to 5, it is going to move little more slowly. And if we increase this number to 50, then the movement is little more fast. As of now, I am putting here number 10 only. One more option here is point to direction. Here it is 90. That means that sprite will move in right direction. So it is already moving in right direction. There is no change in this direction. If instead of 90, if I put here minus 90, then sprite is going to move reverse. Here we can see that sprite is also totally reversed. So we can change its direction. Here we'll go to direction, and here we'll click on left and right. So when I now will click a green flag, it is going to move left hand side. If we want the sprite to move upside, then here we have to put 0. So here I am putting 0. So when I will click this green flag, it is going to move upside. And if we want to bring it down, then here instead of 0, we have to put 180. This is going to bring this sprite down.